I look like Santa Claus. I look like the Grinch and the Santa Claus and Jason all together. Hey sluts, it's your favorite celebrity, John Anthony, back with another jump scare. But this message, I just really want to fucking tell you that loving you is a gift. Loving you and getting the chance to love you, platonically or romantically, is a fucking gift. Can you cut the bullshit out? Oh, I'm not worthy of love. I'm too hard to love. You're actually so easy to love, and loving you is like the most beautiful experience that anyone will get to experience on this planet. And if you're seeing this and you felt called to watch, it probably means something within your iconic superstar diva, supermodel having ass resonates. Something about me resonates with you, and it's probably because you're a big dreamer, or you're out there, you're extra, you're crazy, you're unhinged, you're feral, you're a gay icon, you're like an LGBT icon, or whatever you identify as. Maybe you're a straight male and you just don't care about me sucking dick. Like, you know, like I'm a little too stoned and I forgot where I was going with that. I'm guessing that you resonate with being told that you're too extra, you're too loud, you're too different. Oh, okay, she's on. You're too unique. And if you resonate with that, I see you, beautiful star soul, fucking iconic queer bitch, okay? Or straight bitch. But that's the reason why getting a chance to love you is so magical. Because you are magical. You have this beautiful, rare essence about you. If someone couldn't handle you, if someone couldn't handle your authenticity, your magical essence, your sexy, divine essence, that's not a you problem. That's a their problem. They needed to go find less because they're not vibrating at the superstar, iconic, diva, celebrity vibration that you're vibrating at. Somebody ghosted you, okay, they just needed to go find uglier. They needed to go find lamer because they couldn't handle being with a celebrity. They couldn't handle being with a diva, a $1 million business owner, seven-figure business owner. They couldn't handle that. That's not in their field. That's not who they are. They're too small. They're too restricted right now in this reality. You have to own every part of you. The parts of you that you think are too extra or not digestible for the lame people, for the NPCs. Who cares? You're an icon. Icons don't date NPCs. NPCs is crazy. Icons don't date NPCs. Icons don't date losers and lame ass people. Icons date other icons, bitch. Pull it together. Go do a face mask. Go chug some water. Go touch some grass. Go paint your toes. Go paint your nails. Go buy that new outfit. Go buy that new piece. Go buy that new wardrobe. And go strut around like you are that bitch, because you are that bitch. And anybody ever on this planet would be lucky to get the chance to be your friend or to be your lover. Because you light up people's lives and you add like sprinkle and twinkle and light beams to everyone's day, and you just brighten up everyone's life, bro. So you continue to be you. Like Dev Cameron says, you say I'm too much, baby, go find less. Go find less, baby. Go find less, baby. Whatever made you loser. Okay, loser. Okay. Loving you is a gift, and if someone doesn't see that, let the trash take itself out. They're a lame loser NPC. Plain, plain, period. Queens and kings and icons and divas and everything in between, they don't settle. You've come so far and you've healed from so much to go back now. What do you mean, Jelly Bean? I just wanted to make this video to help you remember that loving you is a gift. What you think is a flaw or imperfection or scars, whether that be physical or metaphorical from your past, like, do you not get it? Your God, your universe, your Jesus experiencing itself. You are perfect. You are amazing. You are magical. And you are a miracle. And if someone doesn't see that, tell them to go find less. And that's what they did. You've got ghosted because they couldn't handle how sexy and magical you are. They needed to go find another lame loser like them. Yes, they did. Okay, yes, they literally did. I just needed to make that quick video to let this icon remember who the fuck they are. Oh, but I forgot to add. And because I believe in like vibration, attracting like vibration, your soulmate, the person that's really for you, I do believe when we have more than one soulmate. I do. I don't like to label it and put it to one person. But the people that are really meant for you, think about it. Like vibration attracts like vibration. That person's going to be just as magical, just as unique, just as special, just as different, just as out there as you. It isn't that so fucking beautiful? Like I said, icons date icons. Icons don't date losers or NPCs. Just no. No. So take some time being it's okay to be single. Like, you're iconic. You're not for everyone. You're exquisite. Point blank, period. And like I always say, if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass. I love you so much.